This is the Pohnpeian legend of two brothers, So Lepolapoeti and So Kapinalu. This legend is dedicated to all Pohnpeian youth, wherever they may be. The Pohnpeian version of this story may also be found on YouTube. Mas, a very long time ago on the ancient island of Pohnpei, in what is today known as the Federated States of Micronesia, there was a woman who lived on the island of Socaes, right off of the island of Pohnpei. She had two boys. One of them was named So Lepolapoeti, and the other was So Kapinalu. One day, the two boys decided to go fishing right off of the island of Socaes. While the boys were out fishing, it started to rain. So they came back to land and went onto the shore and found a big rock to hide under. As they were hiding under this rock and waiting for the rain, they started to do some magic spells and they would compete with one another. In Pohnpeian, this is called Winani. So to pass the time, they started casting magic spells. The older boy would make the rock go up, and the younger boy would make the rock come down. So as they were under the rock, they would start to each one do their magic spells and compete with one another. The older boy making the rock go up, and the younger boy making the rock come down. Until pretty soon, they were doing this and they realized that the younger brother's magic was stronger. And so eventually the rock came down so low they couldn't get out from under it. And the older brother, his magic couldn't bring the rock back up. So they were stuck under the rock. And in the meantime, the tide was starting to come in. And their mother at home was waiting for them, and it seemed like they were taking a little longer than usual, so she went looking for them. And when she went looking, she found them stuck under that big rock. Now, please don't be confused and think that I'm talking about the big landmark Socaes Rock. It's not that rock. Socaes Island is very volcanic, especially at the bottom of that big cliff that you see. It's very rocky. So it was a big rock right near Socaes Rock. So the mother started pounding on the rock, and they're stuck, and she doesn't know how to get them out. So she's pounding on the rock and she calls to them. Sola puela pueti, so kapinalu. And she'd ask, Uwenitiernita penamako samako. Where is the tide, my boys? How high is the tide? And the boys would answer, Uweitiernin chikalene chaka. Koe no no, pues melar. The tide is up to our ankles. Go away, Mom, go away, go back, 'cause we have met our death. But the mother refused to give up, and she kept pounding on the rock, crying and pounding on the rock. And then she would call out to them again. Sola pola pueti, soka pinalo. Where is the tide compared to you? And the boys would answer, Kowe no no, uwe itiernin pukie chaka. Mom, go away, the tide is already at our knees. And the mother would cry more, pounding and pounding on this big rock to try to get it open or move it. And the tide continues to rise, rising and rising. The mother calls again, Sola puela pueti, soka pinadlu. The boys answer, Oi. asks, Uwenitiernitepe namako samako. They would answer, Uweitiernin likope chaka. The mother refused to leave her boys, kept pounding on the rock and crying, and the tide is rising and rising. And the mother calls out again, Solepuelepueti sokapinalu, uwenitiernitepenamako samako. Calling her boys, Solepuelepueti sokapinalu, how high is the tide now? And this time they would answer, the tide is already at our necks. Go away, mother, for we have met our death. And now the mother is pounding the rock and crying for her boys. There's nothing, no more noise coming from out from under the rock. All of a sudden, a big shark comes in from the deep, glides right in and crashes into the rock and cracks it open. And the two boys float up out from under the rock. But they're both dead. And that is the end of the story for today. Aisaipoch Rorowe. This rock, today you can go and see it. And it is on the island of Soques, which is found in the island of Pohnpei in Micronesia. This is a very ancient legend from the ancient island of Pohnpei. And if you find that rock today, you will see that there's a big rubber tree on top of the rock. And they say that that's the mother of the boys. And Soques Island is related to the more recent history would be the the story of the Soques uprising of the Pohnpeian men who rose up against the German administrators. And if you go around Soques Island to the end of Soques Rock, to the part of that area called Nanamuinsap, you will find the remains of the German road. Parts of it are still there, the road that these Pohnpeian men built in the early 1900s. But our story today of Solepuelepueti and Soukapinalu is older than that story. But you will find, if you take a walk down to the end of Soques Island, over by Nanamuinsap, where you will see remnants of the German road, you will also see this big rock where the boys Solepuelepueti and Soukapinalu met their end.